everybody, it's Andrew again from Thirstytech, and I just wanted to talk to you about these video panels that we're looking at today. I've come down from London to Toronto at the Fairmont Royal York Hotel to look at this display technology. Here is Leo with Desay. They've come down from, is it China? You came from China? Okay, and they're here to show us the LED panels here that we're looking at today that can basically supply the needs for billboards, indoor displays, storefronts, replacing projection screens and LCD screens. And so I'm just going to ask you just a few questions. You can just, I'll let you just take it on and you talk to me about this technology and everything and how it applies.
Okay. This is our outdoor LED screen, P6.
Okay. Yep.
P6 is normally used for the outdoor signage.
Okay. Yeah.
So
yeah.
The panel size is 800 by 800 millimeters.
Okay. Yep.
The cabinet size can be custom based on your project.
Okay.
So it can be larger, it can be smaller.
Okay.
And the panels can be fully front installation and fully front service.
Okay.
So
yeah.
Our engineers, Thirstytech Modular.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
are going to show you how to do the maintenance and installation about the modules. So this is the front service tools.
Yep.
So there's 4 locks here. So with these tools, it can be very easily to
Okay. Yep.
to find a lock.
Okay, so assuming we have this on a side of a building or it could be on a billboard, we're about 15, 20 feet up. You get on the ladder, no need to access the back of it. All you need to do is just basically pull out that panel and you replace that. Okay.
And this one is the P3 3.9.
Okay.
It's also auto pan.
Okay. Now, does this service the front as easy as this one? So can you do the same thing with this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So they all service the same way from front and back.
Yeah. And this panel is with we call the 1.9.
Okay.
Indoor panel with the.
Okay. So these are these LEDs are a lot closer together.
The high
Okay.
resolution.
Okay. All right.
And the module is the coating
Okay.
on surface with the
Okay.
glue on it, transparent glue. So it's very good protection for the LEDs because
Okay.
the edge LEDs is very weak.
Okay,
Very
yeah.
small. Yeah.
Okay, yep.
With the aluminum shell, so
Okay.
it can be very good, precise for flatness and
Okay.
very good heating display.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
This is our 2.6 millimeter, 2.9 millimeters
Okay.
LED panels. The panel size is 16 by 9.
Mm-hmm.
It's mainly for the retail shop, indoor application. So
Okay.
you can install on the wall directly.
Okay.
So the panel is very slim.
Mm-hmm.
It's around only 40 millimeters.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it can be very easy to, even the back, you can take the back
Sure.
side.
Sure. Yep.
So it's very
Wow.
very clean.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very
all
good.
All the cables go through there's a hose here.
Okay,
hose
yep.
here.
Okay.
So those cables, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Oh.
Now you're also showing.
Uncle. So this is the magnet.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And this is the connect power and for data. This is the power supply. And this is the receive card.
Okay.
So this, the cables, data cable. So the other panels, so when it's together, can go through the hose, up and down. Yeah. And this is the screw ball holes. So when you install on the wall, just use the screw balls. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Very good.